The Dashboard Fence app sends real-time fence information and alerts from your iSeries Energizer to your phone. Using the Dashboard Fence app, you can check and monitor your fence performance, turn your Energizer off and on, and if your fence performance falls below preset levels, you will receive alarm notifications direct to your phone. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect your Energizer to Dashboard Fence. You need an iSeries Energizer, an iSeries Wi-Fi gateway, and the Dashboard Fence app. First, connect the Gallagher Wi-Fi gateway to your iSeries Energizer by plugging the supplied communication cable into the back of the Energizer. Put your iSeries Energizer back in its installed location. Ensure it's protected from the weather. Next, install your Wi-Fi gateway next to your Energizer. At the bottom of the Wi-Fi gateway, there are 3 plug-in points that we will be using. Plug number 1 connects the Wi-Fi gateway to the iSeries controller. Plug number 2 connects the Wi-Fi gateway to the iSeries Energizer. And plug number 3 provides power to the Wi-Fi gateway. You require a Wi-Fi network to use Dashboard Fence. If you can't connect directly to Wi-Fi, you'll need to establish a Wi-Fi connection via a mobile hotspot. Hotspots are easily purchased at your local electronics store. Install the hotspot somewhere close to your Energizer. Once the Wi-Fi gateway is turned on, open the Dashboard Fence app on your smartphone. On the app, navigate to the gateway option to configure your Wi-Fi gateway. Follow the instructions and when prompted, place the phone face down on the Wi-Fi gateway. Once the gateway is activated, you can search for any connected Energizers and fence monitors and add these to your account. Dashboard Fence will send real-time fence information and alerts from your iSeries Energizer to your phone regardless of where you are.